Who evict you?
Okay. Did Kiddy say he was going to come back? Is Kiddy here?
The 2021 22nd edition of the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards is finally over. The first part was massive. You know, we mentioned some of the few winners here, and then we really went into details if they really did deserve those awards. You can see the link up here. You know, link up here. Click on it and watch the first one. But before we go into the second part, I will mention the first winners for you, and then we will continue with the second part, and then actually give a few explanations and whether or not they did deserve it. The first one was the Traditional Artist of the Year and was won by Mensia Tete Nyomkro. Music for Good, which is good content, good music, was won by Yaya. Instrumentalist of the Year, Nana Yaosafo. Best Male Vocalist Performance was won by MOG Music. Female Vocalist of the Year, Abiana. Songwriter of the Year, Kofi Kinata. Record of the Year was won by Adina. Sound Engineer of the Year, Richie Mensah. Lifetime Achievement Award went to Bob Pinodo, and the man performed on that night. You know, he actually took us back to those times where you could actually listen to good high life songs. And then moving on, we have the Producer of the Year, which is Richie Mensah. African Artist of the Year, Master KJ. Best music video was Miss V with The Baddest Boss, and then the Group of the Year went to Kete. And as I mentioned earlier, we give a few explanations on this, and that is the one here with the link there, so just check it out. We'll quickly move into the next part, which is the part 2, and it happened on Saturday the 26th of June. So those were the awards that we're all really waiting for. You know, the best artists for every genre, and then the artists overall artists of the year. And oh god, I was watching for someone, but then the person didn't win, but all of the same, congratulations to every winner. Tom, let's quickly move into it.
Okay.
We have the first one, which is the best gospel song, and was won by Dana Hamilton with Adom. That song is phenomenal.
Well, I've seen people saying that she used just a single song, which is Adom, to make all this magic. But I think according to criteria, no, it doesn't matter. Once one song is able to give her the hit and do the magic, why not? So I think she deserves it.
This song really went far and has some massive views on YouTube. So well, she did deserve it. The next one is the best high life song, and it went to Kiddy with Enjoyment.
Yes, yeah, Obieni say Enjoyment a lot of things for Kiddy. So yes, he deserves it.
Enjoyment. And then the next one went to best reggae dancer, and that was Adina with Why. Adina won the same category at the 3 Music Awards with Why, and it seems like
so. Yes, so with me we know Hanoma, which means the song is really it deserves it. Like Ohone was a share into we know. I think this is the conversation. Let's just end it and then let it go.
And then Yaotog won the best hip hop song with Sorry.
I think he won it at 3 Music as well.
Yeah.
Possibly the same thing.
Kesha won at the first part. The second part, this two, you know, won again with the best hip life song, where you know no darling and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think that song really went viral, and then
that was a nice song. We say cheese, take a picture. Kiddy won the best Afrobeat and Afro pop song of the year.
Well, I was actually looking at Kelvin Boy, Baby, but I don't know. But all the same, Afro pop songs, and then I think Kiddy did well, and then he deserves it.
Kwame Eugene gave us some good performances on the night, and Kwame Eugene, as I said, won the best high life artist. Best high life artist.
High life
music, you know.
And you're crowning it out. Don't forget it's been crowned before. So high life.
By
I was say Jamano. I just say who will be a from, but for now they're Kwame Eugene.
And then moving on, we have Medical, and he won the best hip life hip hop artist
with the, I think, La Hozo. I mean that song really did well for him.
So congratulations to all of them. Moving on with the best gospel artists. Who else than our own Dana Hamilton?
Adumna.
And then the best reggae dancehall artists went to Episode. Well, like I've seen a lot of controversies with this. People feel like LaRusso might be young in the industry.
And the review, episode 1, shout out drop it in you, baby. I think it's Nkrumah where you did, any or drop it a bit. So but I think LaRusso did more work. But actually, as obedient, in your pubia like so at the end, this guy has been doing some performances back to back. So that I think because on GB
and then the best rap performance, and this is what every Ghanaian has been talking about. Let this female win, let this woman win, like she deserves
but
it.
The thing is, people were vouching for Amrado as well.
Amrado said he had to win. He had to win, like it was compulsory.
Because a lot of people, it was divided attention. Some were saying for the lady, and then some were saying for Amrado because the review they were there with but at the end, I think the vote ended determined
basically.
Yes, and I think more ladies voted for Hello.
And I am so happy she did. Like she won that category.
I think she's the first performance to win such a category.
And look at her performance that night. It was beautiful. So congratulations to Eno Baroni. And then the collaboration of the year went to Sarkodie with Kwame Eugene. Happy day.
Yeah, we were surprised to see Sarkodie on VJMA stage today because Obian Dan being said.
But I think he was tweeting all the time. Like,
but I think he came in honor of Castro, and then I think he's good.
That was the first time Castro's disappearance hit me so hard. Seeing them perform his song, like taking us back to when Castro was around.
That is Ghana's biggest export song ever. What I say on YouTube, 80 million views. No Ghanaian song has hit that limit. And I think Sarkodie really did well by coming to just show some appreciation and honor to Castro. Wherever
Castro is, we miss you. Moving on, we have the best Afrobeat Afropop artists and went to Kiddy.
Well, enjoyment. It was Afropop and a whole lot.
So congratulations to him. And then the EP of the year, Kiddy. And
Blue EP in India, nobody's going to doubt it.
There's no competition.
Was no way they're going to doubt it.
And Kiddy comes out as the highest awardee for the night because he won 4.
But I think Dinah Hamilton also took 4.
Okay, Then so Dinah also took 4, so it was a tie with Kiddy and then Dinah Hamilton. So congratulations to this two. And then the international collaboration went to Kwesi Arthur.
So with Bajo. And we saw the two of them on stage giving us some splendid performance, and I think on the Joe Boy side, I saw some comment people saying that the way we are able to put Joe Boy on in Ghana here, we are expecting next year to see Kwesi Arthur also on Nigeria stage doing the same thing. Because I say it's a but how are they going to receive it?
Like now, because some people have really received them very well. Exactly. And then the best new artist, well, this one there, Tom Kwaka said if he doesn't take it, a demonstration.
Mr. Drew Anka, so any new artist, I don't know why he was putting that category.
I was also wondering why.
There's no pundits that spoke about this thing and said that Mr. Drew will not win this thing. So offer and it was the perfect choice.
So Mr. Drew took it, for the night, best new artist, and then the album of the year, Adina.
So I think
record of the year, album of the year.
And the song, the record of the year song is on the album, and then the Wise song is on the album. I think these two songs did magic for her.
And then the Vodafone Green Award. Well, apparently this is a new category also.
Setting in because with the greens now you did I know why.
I'm with my Kofi Kinata because he has videos that are actually promoting our own culture and the things we do. So Kofi Kinata took it for the night. He was really, really excited. And then the Vodafone most popular song of the year. Category anytime you ever be patapa.
You see, it was a total cheat. But don't forget that total cheat is really winning. So Fancy Garden really knew that.
But then Dinah Hamilton took it with Adom.
Yes. A lot of people were saying it doesn't deserve. But one thing is, everybody sings that song. We yell a house we are Adichia. One go to Adom, sorry. Unless one go sorry, even Muslims sing Adom. So and it is popular.
Well, people say there are other songs that were popular, but then
Adom is Adom.
And then the ultimate for the night. Ultimate. Actually, I was vouching for Kiddy. I felt like Kiddy deserves to, like, he kept us going. But for the artist of the year, Dinah Hamilton took it again.
So they were all potential winners.
Exactly.
So I think
the competition was between the two.
If you are voting and a team, because everybody saw it, people were like, "Hey, Kiddy," people were like, "It is Dinah Hamilton." By the end, voting and
you see, at the point before then, Kiddy had 4 awards. He had won 4 awards
and
already, Dinah was 3.
Okay.
So, like, automatically we all felt
Dinah was
Kiddy,
close to 3.
Automatically we all felt like Kiddy has the highest, so he deserves it. But then, you know, next year. Well, people are saying no pressure.
No pressure.
Hey, Master, no pressure.
Next year, no pressure.
We have our Golden Boy album. Master, no pressure. You people give us pressure. So that has been the update on the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards 2021, the 22nd edition. Some winners here. Well, this year, I don't think people have problems much complaining. No, this person didn't deserve it. We are just
hoping that next year, Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale will file, and they will see the competition get tougher, because we need these people in,
especially the reggae part, because they are no longer in. So we need this to come back. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. He is Tomzi. I am Amatrisha. Leave your comments, guys.
Who evict you?
Okay. Did Kiddy say he was going to come back? Is Kiddy here?
Wow. And yes, we have the first. What a shocker. Winning the overall. Jesus is cool like that. So thank you, Jesus. Thank you to the Church of Pentecost. Apostle Professor Opoko Nyina, Mrs. Sedubafo, my parents, my family, my fans, Team DH, everybody, Uncle Charles, Ojola, King David, my husband, Michael and Michaela, Father Dixon. To everybody that campaigned, if you have to go to bed, you can all go to sleep now. Thank you to gospel. Thank you to the fraternity. Thank you. God richly bless you. This is the doing of the Lord. It is marvelous in our sight. God bless everybody. Thank you. Have I said everything? Have I? Yes, congratulations.
Wow.
Dinah Hamilton.
CPH, we did it!
Yeah.
What a night.
Congratulations to you, Dinah. And since today is Sunday offering time, Anna, me call you blues.
Go here, please.